In the world of molecules, different structures have different functions. Water has so many unusual properties vital to our existence that arise from the nature of its hydrogen and oxygen atoms. We're going to quickly look at these properties of water in this video. Polarity, hydrogen bonding, solvent power, specific heat capacity, and surface tension and capillarity. Because of the large electronegative difference between oxygen and hydrogen, water is extremely polar. Hydrogen bonding might not seem like such a big deal, but for the water molecule, it gives it remarkable macroscopic behavior. Take a look at it. H2O is able to create 4 hydrogen bonds with the neighboring molecules or atoms. Hydrogen bonding is the reason that water expands upon freezing instead of compressing. It expands because of the geometric arrangement of the hydrogen bonds in water. Solid water, ice, ends up having a lower density than the liquid state as a result. Isn't that amazing? One of these superpowers of water resulting from its hydrogen bonding is that it is a great solvent. It even dissolves nonpolar gases such as atmospheric ones to a limited extent through dipole-induced and dispersion forces. This matters to ecosystems as aquatic animals need dissolved oxygen gas and plants need dissolved carbon dioxide. Water has a high specific heat capacity of 4.186 joules per gram degree Celsius. This is considered a very high heat capacity, and this means that it requires a great deal of energy to overcome intermolecular forces. It takes roughly 4.2 joules of energy to raise the temperature of just 1 gram of water higher by just 1 degree Celsius. Can you picture how this is important to the fact that 70% of the Earth's surface is water? If water had a lower specific heat capacity, there'd be dramatic changes in temperature in the oceans between daytime and night. Let's just say there'd be a lot of imbalances in ecosystems as a result. Instead, however, because of water's heat capacity as it is, the daytime heat from the sun causes relatively small changes in temperature, allowing the planet to support life. Not only does water have a high specific heat capacity, but also its heat of vaporization is high. That's a good thing, because otherwise it would take less energy from the sun to evaporate more of the oceans, potentially in large quantities. Thanks to water's high surface tension and capillarity, plant debris is kept resting on a pond surface to provide shelter and nutrients for many fish, microorganisms, and insects. Capillary action is especially important for land plants too. You can easily take books upon books to really understand all the chemical properties of water, but we only have time to gloss over a few things about it. Is it any wonder that water is the element of life? Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.